see that smile again. Let's see. Let's see. Smile, boy. Let's see a smile for Daddy. Let's see a smile for Daddy. Go on.
Big lips.
Let me see a smile. That went the opposite way. Oh. Let's see smiles for Daddy. Oh my Lord. Just you don't like that. I'm not going to do it again if you don't like it. I'm not going to do it again.
His lip is itchy, I'd say.
Oh, Baba. Oh. No. Is Lukey okay? Do you not like that? Oh no. Gosh, you were all smiles a minute ago for Mummy. What went wrong? Hey, what went wrong with this boy? Something happened. He got itchy lips. Did he? Did you get itchy lips? Let me see them smiles. Look. Hi. Let me see a smile. Oh my goodness.